So hello there guys, my name is Kumar, you're watching me. Let's start today's video without having any further delay. So basically this video is going to be routine of 12th July 2025 and today is Saturday. So basically in this video I'm going to share you like what is actually happening in my today's routine video and what is actually not happened. So in this video I'm going to share you. So let's start today's routine video without having any further delay. So basically this video is going to be routine of uh, I think I think 584th days of routine video, right? So this is all guys what has actually happened. So now I'm going to start my today's routine video. So let's start. So basically today first of all I woke up, then after that I washed my mouth, and today basically today it is what actually happened. Today I woke up very late, around 9:30 a.m. I woke up. Then after that I feels regret, right? So why I had not woke up to the early morning, right? So the reason is simple why I woke up at very late in the morning. That is because the last night I went for this sleep very late night just because I was studying, right? So that is the thing what has actually happened. Then after that I had taken bath. Then after that I wore clothes. Then after that I worshipped. Then after that I studied, right? Then after that I talked to my parents and I talked to my parents. Then after that I studied, and at the time of evening I ate a green banana sabji, right? Uh, Green banana sabji and with rice, right? I ate. Then after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happening in my today's video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner, right? So guys, I'm gonna to revise the upcoming allowances, right? Lot of upcoming allowances there where I have stopped in the previous days of routine video, where I had stopped reading the allowances. From there I started. I'm gonna to start allowance allowance exempt to the extent allowance exempt to the extent of actual expenditure, section 10 of 14 first. So allowance exempt to the extent of actual expenditure, okay. Wait, there is also one allowance what I had not read, that is truck driver's allowance. Truck driver's allowance. So any allowance by whatever name called, okay, any allowance by whatever name called granted to an employee working in any transport system to meet his personal expenditure during his duty performance in the course of running of such a transport from one place to another place, provided such employee is not in receipt of daily allowance. Okay. Any allowance by whatever name called granted to an employee working in any transport system to meet his education to meet his personal expenditure during his duty performed in the course of running of such transport from one place to another place, provided such employees is not in receipt of daily allowance. Okay, the minimum of the following shall be exempt. Okay, 70% of allowance, rupees 10,000 per month. Tax point: if SSC is in receipt of daily allowance, then above allowance shall be fully taxable. Okay, guys. Now, till the above, I get to remember, I get to know that I am easily understand that what is actually happened till yet. From the truck driver's allowance exempt to the extent of actual expenditure, tax treatment of aforesaid allowance. Minimum of the following shall be exempted. So these are the such kind of things what I am unable to understand properly, right? So I would like to understand this from the third party source, right? So just I'm gonna to read that am I able to understand this or not, right? So from the truck driver's allowance I have to watch the third party videos, right? So let's start. Allowance exempt to the extent of actual expenditure. Travel or transfer allowance, an allowance by whatever name called to meet the cost of travel on tour. Cost of travel includes any sum paid in connection with the transfer, packing and transportation of personal effects on such transfer. Daily allowance, an allowance by whatever name called granted on tour or for the period of journey in connection with transfer to meet the ordinary daily charges when incurred by employee on account of absence from his normal place of duty. Tax treatment of aforesaid allowances. Conveyance allowance. Any allowance granted to meet the expenditure on conveyance in performance of duties of the office, provided free conveyance is not provided by the employer. Minimum of the following shall be exempted. Actual amount. Tax point. Expenditure for actual amount received or actual amount received. Tax point. Expenditure for covering the journey between office and residence is not treated as expenditure in performance of duties of office and consequently not covered under this allowance. Refer transport allowance, helper assistance allowance, any allowance by whatever name called to meet the expenditure of assistant or helper provided such helper is appointed for the performance of duties of an office. Actual expenditure incurred for such purpose. Tax point. Servant allowance is fully taxable. Research allowance, professional development allowance, academic allowances, any allowance by whatever name called, granted to encourage academic research and other professional pursuits. This allowance may also be termed as professional development academic allowance. Uniform allowance, any allowance by whatever name called to meet the expenditure on purchase or maintenance of uniform wear during the performance of duties of an office. Tax point. Uniform allowance is different from dress allowances. Dress allowance is fully taxable. Fully taxable allowances. City compensatory allowance, an allowance to meet personal expenses which arise due to special circumstances or to compensate extra expenditure by reason of posting at a particular place. Tiffin allowance. Okay, so these are the some such kind of allowances or what I am gonna to study that on which tax is fully taxable in all these allowances. City compensatory allowance, an allowance to meet personal expenses which arise due to special circumstances or to compensate extra expenditure by reason for of posting at a particular place. Tiffin allowances, an allowance to meet the expenditure on tiffin, refreshment, etc. Fully taxable allowances. Fully taxable allowances, right? Medical allowances, an allowance to meet the expenditure on medical treatment, etc. Servant allowances, an allowance to meet the expenditure of servant for personal purpose. Non-practicing allowance, allowance given to professionals to compensate them for restriction on private practice. Warden or proctor allowance, allowances given to employees of educational institutions for working as warden of the hostel or working as proctor in the institutions. Deputation allowance, allowances given to an employee when he is sent on deputation for a temporary period from his permanent place of service. Entertainment allowance, it is an allowance to meet expenditure on entertainment by whatever name called. Government employee can claim deductions under section 16 subsection 2 discussed later in this chapter. Fully exempt allowances, fully exempt, not taxable, right? Government employees working outside India, any allowance or perquisite allowed outside India by the government to an Indian citizen for rendering services outside India is wholly exempt from tax. Allowance received from UNO, United Nations Organization, basic salary or allowance paid by the UNO to its employees are not taxable. Okay, compensatory allowance under Article 222 subsection 2 of the Constitution. Allowances to judges of the High Court or the Supreme Court, salary including allowances and perquisites to teacher or professor from SAARC member states, allowance or perquisite to member of Union Public Service Commission. So yes guys, this is all what has actually happened today. So I think that it is all enough for today guys. So let's end the video guys. See you nothing. Bye bye.